Clean that shit up. Clean that shit up. Clean that shit up. Clean that shit up. Daddy's tomorrow. Borrow now. Wake up, sorrow. Face who you owe. Don't hide. That's how credit get right back. That is what happens when you borrow from your future self. Taking tomorrow's bread and putting it on the shelf. If you don't got savings and your tire pop at two, that's dead, knocking loud, looking for you. If you swipe a credit card for some shit you can't afford, that's dead too. Two future funds ignored. But clean that shit up. Dead is tomorrow. Borrow now. Wake up, sorrow. Face who you owe. Don't hide. That's how credit get revived. Debt management is handling your shit with control, so it don't keep spiraling out the hole. Credit repairs after you run it up. Tabs unpaid, files fucked up. It's figuring out who the fuck you owe, what you really owe. Buying by road, fixing what you can, paying who you should. Putting credit back to get a piece by good. If it's too fucked up, you might need help. That ain't failure, that strategy well. That it repairs, facing the music direct, so you can move forward with some respect. It's telling companies you walk straight talk. Yeah, I fucked up, I'm done with the dodge and walk. Then you do something, make a move, pay it full up, settle proof. Sometimes debt get reduced, sometimes wipe clean, cut loose. Settlements, bankruptcies, disputes, that shit happen more than folks assume. End of the day, it's communication and how bad you want elevation. That is tomorrow. Borrow now. Wake up, sorrow. Face who you owe. Don't hide. That's how credit